lived very happily, told her in a beautiful palace-like house.
It's so beautiful at night, Mom.
Oh no, Mother Cat and kittens woke up because of the loud thunder outside. Oh my god, the storm was so strong that it sucked the Mother Cat and kittens out of the castle. Hurricane caused this wall collapse. A huge stone fell from a height. The Mother Cat pushed Hey Kittens into a safe place.
Mom.
A huge stone hit the Mother Cat. Since losing her mother, the kitten has been very miserable. She is alone and living on the streets.
Mom, I miss you, Mom.
The kitten was very hungry, so she decided to steal a fish from the market and run away. At that moment, a kind-hearted cat rescued her and took her in. From then on, the little kitten lived a happy life.